Hello superstars, welcome to our reading class. You know there are 5 vowels in English language. What are they? They are A, E, I, O and U. So what does vowel do? Vowel helps in sounding out words. So when you see most of the words in English language will have a vowel. So today we will read the letter A. How A sounds with consonants. How it blends to make a word. So the first word we are going to read is at. At. So what is the sound of A? What is the sound of T? T. Blend it together. At. Say it together. At. So A T at. The next word is cat. C-A-T. Cat. What is the sound of C? K. What is the sound of A? What is the sound of T? T. So blend it together. K-A-T. Cat. K-A-T. Cat. Say it along with me. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. K-A-T. Cat. The next word is fat. F-A-T. Fat. What is the sound of F? What is the sound of A? What is the sound of T? The. Blend it together. F-A-T. Fat. Say it again. Fat. F-A-T. Fat. What can you see over here? Rat. R-A-T. Rat. What is the sound of R? R. What is the sound of A? What is the sound of T? T. Let's blend together. T. Rat. Say it again. Rat. T. Rat. Next word is mat. M-A-T. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. What is the sound of M? What is the sound of A? What is the sound of T? T. Let's blend together. M-A-T. Mat. Mat. Next word is sat. S-A-T. Sat. S-A-T. Sat. What is the sound of S? What is the sound of A? What is the sound of T? T. Sat. Say it together. Sat. Now we are going to read a story. Always while reading a story, you have to take clues from the picture. So can you see the picture over here? Yes, what can we see? We can see a cat and also a rat and also a mat. Can you see? The rat and cat are so fat. So the title of the story is Fat Cat. Now let's read the story Fat Cat. A fat cat sat on a big fat mat right beside a big fat rat. So what can you see in the picture? You can see a cat that is fat which sat on a big fat mat. It's sitting on a fat mat right beside, just beside a big fat rat. Now see the picture. What's happening? The cat is sitting on the rat. Let's read it. If the fat cat sat on the rat, would the fat rat be as flat as the mat? Can you see? After the cat sits on the fat rat becomes as flat as the mat. So what's happening in the story? Both the fat cat and fat rat sits on the mat and the cat sat on the fat rat and the rat become as flat as the mat. So let's read the story together again. The title is Fat Cat. A fat cat sat on a big fat mat right beside a big fat rat. If the fat cat sat on the rat, would the fat rat be as flat as the mat? Thank you, children.